Manufacturing Management Software, all-in-one solution for HR, finance, sales, production, logistics, and quality inspection. To achieve digital transformation, the manufacturing industry requires many software tools to overcome challenges. In traditional, different software is used for different departments, causing inefficiencies due to the multitude of standalone applications. Noohle emerges as the solutions, consolidating all necessary functionalities into a single software. 1. Integrated solution. Noohle is an all-in-one solution, incorporating the core functionalities needed by enterprises, including domestic ERP, foreign trade ERP, domestic CRM, foreign trade CRM, OA, FI, BI, and more. With just one software, businesses can address all their needs, saving time and enhancing efficiency. 2. Digital features. Noohle brings about digitization, allowing users to access the desired data at any time. It breaks down information barriers between departments and employees. Its BI intelligent reports utilize data mining, drilling, and visualization, enabling business intelligent decision-making.